What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and create a CPA affiliate marketing website, listing multiple CPA offers on your website at the same time. For example, a $5,000 giveaway, a $1,000 gas gift card giveaway over here, another $1,000 Visa card, $100 Starbucks giveaway, iPhone 6, PS5, Walmart, Apple Watch, you name it. And every person that you refer to these giveaways, all they need to do is just submit their email and username, and you will get paid anywhere between $1.60 and $25 per person that you refer to these giveaways. Here is the Apple Watch, for example. All you need to do is get your lead to enter the email address, which they can then submit to this lucky draw to win a free Apple Watch. This company will then choose a random email address from all the emails that they've collected to send a free Apple Watch. But now this company is paying you per person that you refer to this giveaway. So over here, for example, you will earn $1.60 per person that you refer to this Apple Watch. Now I'm going to show you a trick where we can go and list all of our CPA offers in one simple spreadsheet over here, which we can use this tool called Spread Simple to generate our spreadsheet into a done-for-you website, which we can go and promote in hundreds of different ways to get tons of different traffic. So this is going to be a really epic strategy if you want to earn money online every couple of minutes and every couple of hours, just through hundreds of people signing up through your CPA offers. I'm going to show you two amazing databases where we can go and find all of these CPA offers, mostly being maxbounty.com and cpaleads.com. You don't want to miss this one. Let's get straight into it. If you want to know how you can go and create a free CPA affiliate marketing website at the click of one generation button, which will automatically turn your spreadsheet into a done-for-you website, make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to give you the free tool that will go and do this for you. Honestly, this is a hidden gem on the internet where we can go and create free websites from Excel sheets at the click of a button. Without further ado, we're going to get straight into this. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the two platforms that we need to go and find all of our CPA offers. Firstly, we've got maxbounty.com. This is honestly my favorite and best rated website when it comes to CPA marketing, but I do know, however, they have a very strict sign up process, which some people can get disapproved and won't be able to access the website. In that case, you can go over to a website called cpalead.com, which you can go and do the exact same thing. You will find the exact same CPA offers, and you can literally sign up the second. There's no submission process that takes days. You get approved immediately and can access all the CPA offers. But since I've got a Max Bounty account over here, I've already logged in with my account. You just click on sign in at the top right. You want to click on search on the left over here. And here you will see all the different leads that you can go and promote. For example, a $5,000 gift card giveaway, $5,000 Visa card, $1,000 gas card. As we know, gas is expensive, so this is a good one to promote at the moment. iPhone giveaways, PS5s and Xbox Ones, Apple Watch, Bed Bath & Beyond, all of these offers over here. You've got McDonald's, another $500 gift card, a MacBook over here. So just to show you, each of these offers over here will have their own landing page where your lead needs to submit either their email or their full name. And once they submit all of the information, you are going to get $1.60 sent to your Max Bounty account, which will then be paid to you via PayPal or via transfer. Now, what this company is doing is they are building an email list of thousands of people around the world, which then they promote various affiliate offers, email sequences, and email campaigns, which they make money off of. So it's very easy for these big companies to go and give away a small Apple Watch that maybe costs $300 when they're making thousands of dollars off all of these emails. But at the same time, they're paying people like you and me to refer people to their email list. And that way we get paid. Our leads get a free opportunity to win something for free, whether it's the Apple Watch or it's a $5,000 gift card. So it's a win-win for everybody. The company benefits, your lead benefits, and you benefit as well by getting paid for every person that you refer to this giveaway. So it's a very amazing model called CPA marketing, where we don't actually have to sell any products, unlike affiliate marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Max Bounty over here with all of our CPA offers. We want to go and open up a blank untitled spreadsheet over here, which is very simple to Excel, which is very similar to Excel. I'm pretty sure you've heard of Google Sheets. You can just come over to Google and just search Google Sheets, click on Go to Sheets. It will open up a blank one over here. You want to put the following titles on your Google spreadsheet over here: sweepstakes, prize, country available, and your link. So that means you need to come back to Max Bounty over here. Let's firstly go and take the $5,000 gift card, which we will go and get paid. I'm just waiting for this to load up. It's $1.60 per lead. So what we need to do is, for our sweepstakes over here, we need to copy the title. That is $5,000 $5,000 Visa card. The prize as well is also a $5,000 Visa card. The country available to go and see that, you will see, is United States over here. So we're just going to go and type here USA, and to get your affiliate link, you go and click on build tracking link over here, click on contextual, click on raw link, and you'll be able to copy your link over here. So let's go and paste this in our link over here. Let's go and grab another one. For example, the $1,000 Visa gift card. So I'm just going to open this up in a new tab over here. We'll see again, this is approved in the United States. Also $1,000 Visa card. So let's copy that as our title. Come back to our spreadsheet. $1,000 Visa card, $1,000 Visa card is the prize, and our country available is also USA. To go and get our link, we need to come back here, click on build tracking link, contextual, raw link, and over here, you can go and copy your link, right click, copy, come over to your spreadsheet, paste your link over here. Let's go and get a total of 5 or 6 of these, so we can go and do the $1,000 gas gift card over here. So this again, we'll see is a $1,000 gas gift card. So let's just come up to our spreadsheet, type here $1,000 gas gift card. Same thing for our prize over here. This country is also United States. You'll see over here it says that here, USA. Click on build tracking link, click on raw link, click on contextual, exact same thing. So essentially what we're doing is we're basically just creating an Excel spreadsheet of some of the best CPA offers. And then we're going to use our free tool, which I'm going to explain later in this video, to go and turn this into a done for you website. Let's go and grab this PS4 and Xbox One giveaway over here. So we can open this up in a new tab. Let me just close the others to close some tabs here. We can click on, we'll just go and copy the title. So for example, PS4 or Xbox One. So we're going to come over here, PS4 or Xbox One. We can put this under our prize. Country available here is United States, which actually makes it easier for us. So we can go and click on build tracking link. Again, contextual, raw link over here. Go and copy your link. Let's come back to our spreadsheet, and we can go and paste this over here. And let's go and do one more, so we can keep this video to 5. So one more we can go and use, for example, let's go use the Apple Watch. So let's open up Apple Watch over here. So we can come to our spreadsheet, type in Apple Watch giveaway, and then for our prize, we can just put your Apple Watch. I know this is also the United States, as I saw it earlier. Apple Watch, we can click on build tracking link, contextual, raw link, go and copy your link over here, and come over and paste this here. Now what we want to do is we want to click on share over here. Just type this as CPA list. Click on save. You want to change to anyone with the link. So you've got your public link over here. You then want to come over to a website called spreadsimple.com, which is a tool where you can change or turn or generate Excel spreadsheets into a done for you website. So over here, we're going to click on try it now completely for free. It's a free trial, or you can get this tool for free. I think they even have a free plan. So I'm just going to sign in with my existing account. Under my website, click on the plus icon, paste your Google link sheet over here, click on continue. Under your content section on the left over here, scroll down until you see button, click on the button, and you want to go and type for the label, enter sweepstake here. $5,000 gift cards. All of these buttons obviously connected to your affiliate link. So this button over here is then connected to an affiliate link to the $1,000 Visa card. So this way we are creating a landing page from our Excel spreadsheet into one easy landing page, which all our leads and links or clicks, whatever you want to call it, come over to this website, see all of these competition giveaways. If they want to enter all of them, they can go and do that and open each one in a new tab. And that way you get paid from each and every one from just one person. So over here for the title of our webpage, we can obviously go and change this. So for the design, the header, we can go and type here, head page intro, best tech and cash giveaways of 2022. We can type here, these giveaways will be running, let's just correct the spelling, running until, we can type here 1 July 2022. Make sure to enter while they still remain open. Once our website is complete, we can click on publish over here. We can just go and type the name. So for example, best giveaways 2022, click on save over here. So this is now your link to your specific landing page. So once I've clicked on save, so over here we can now copy our page, and if I go and open this in a new tab, this is what your landing page is going to look like. So over here you can see best tech and cash giveaways of 2022. For example, Apple Watch, enter sweepstakes over here, and it will take them to the relative landing page over here. So now this page, we can go and use all sorts of ways to make money online. I'm going to show you my best way right now. And one of the easiest ways to go and get tons of traffic to our website that we have just generated is to go and find tons of free communities out there, like Facebook groups, Reddit posts, Quora, Twitter pages, Instagram, you name it. We're going to come over here to facebook.com, and we want to go and search for various different groups, which we can go and offer our free giveaways to different communities. So over here, for example, we've got sweepstakes under the search bar and groups, and most of these groups consist of contests and giveaways. So for example, we want to go and join some of the groups that are the most active with the most members and getting the most posts. So for example, this group over here is got 44,000 members and is posting 9 posts a day. So as we can see, this is a very active group. So if I go and open this up over here, you want to go and click on join group, go and join as your page, and you want to go and write something on this group here. Hey guys, I compiled a list of the best 5 sweepstakes giveaways and contests which you can enter in a matter of minutes. Here's the link to my page, which we just generated over here. Good luck, everyone. So this way, you're just offering a free opportunity to people to go and give away all of these giveaways that you've got on this website, which they can click on the link, enter, and that way you will get $1.60 between $1.60 and $3 per person that you refer to any of these giveaways. And some people on this group might enter all of them at the same time. So that way you make 4 times your money off just one person. So you've got to look at it like this. This group is 44,000 members. If you go and post on 5 groups a day with, let's say, a total of 200,000 members, and 20 or let's say take 30 people sign up at a contest of, at an average of, let's go 30 multiplied by $2 each, you can average out about $60 a day. Let's say you get 100 people referred to all of your contests, multiplied by a $2 average, that is $200. Let's say you get 1,000 people in a day, and you multiply this by a $2 average, that's $2,000 a day just in referrals to the CPA offer. So you can see how you can go and scale with this. And then what you can do is, if you want to use some of the money that you make from this, you can reinvest to boost this post and promote ads on it to now scale to thousands and hundreds of thousands of people seeing your webpage on a daily basis. So if you want to go and learn more about CPA marketing and find out about tons of more secret traffic methods that I have for this specific page over here that you've now created after watching this video, I've got an entire CPA marketing course for you guys on YouTube completely for free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. It's a free playlist on YouTube of my best CPA marketing videos that I've made over the past couple of years on YouTube. So if you want to go and get access to that, this is the playlist I've made on the screen over here. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here. It will really give you a good idea how to really skyrocket and blow up your sales or referrals to your CPA offers over here to make your $1 and $2 per lead that you get to these links here. So I recommend click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.